All right, good afternoon. Today we are going to be looking at how to create 2D animations and some motion graphics using one of the most simplest tools and software, which is the PowerPoint. All right, so I'll be launching my PowerPoint here, and so you have something like this with a blank page. But before you go ahead, you need to delete this column here. So I'm deleting mine and deleting the second one, just like I've seen. Okay, so we are left with a very blank page. The next thing we're going to do is to insert our background picture. So you go over to pictures, you click it, and I have my picture here, so I'll double click it. Now this would not give you the exact formation because you still have to drag this way and drag this way, so that's not optimized. Okay, so the best way to do this is you right click on this blank page, you go to format background, and you come to your background features here. You check this picture or text field. You can see my background has already been covered, and when you see this, you click on file. Okay, so that takes you to where you have your pictures already stored. So I have mine, so I'll double click it. You can see it takes the whole of the background space without me dragging or dropping anything that is not of size. I also like to state here that before you go about setting up your animation scene, you should have what they call a storyboard. A storyboard gives you a graphical representation of what happens at each stage, at each scene, and the camera position. Okay, so because I have done mine, I already know what I'm bringing into the scene. So I would like to bring in a hut into the scene. For subsequent importing of other pictures, I will have to go to insert picture, then I will bring in my house. Okay, you can see the house is here. We just have to scale it down and bring it to a point where it's close to, okay, I think it's okay. This should be fine. Yes, so this should be fine. The next thing I will bring in into the scene is a chair. So I'll click my insert, go to pictures, and of course I have my chair here. Okay, so don't forget that when you are downloading these objects and pictures, ensure they are all on PNG. I'll have to scale this down as well, and I'll bring it here. It still has to be smaller because it shouldn't be bigger than the house. So we have something like this. Okay, I think I'll make it a bit like this, and I'll have to make the house bigger as well. This is just for it to be in proportion. Okay, yeah, all right, so it's fine here, and this I'll scale it a bit. All right, so we have it here. Next thing we'll bring in our boy. We have a boy in 2D form. Okay, so I'll click here once again, go to our insert, click pictures, and I think this should be the boy. Oh no, this is the lamp. Okay, insert, this should be the boy. All right, okay, so if you look very closely, the right hand was cut off. There is a reason for this, and now I'll explain why this is so. This is to enable us to animate the hand to be able to wave. Okay, so when you download PNG, ensure that the hand is a bit away from the body. That would enable us animate the hand waving. All right, I think my boy is well proportioned this way. All right, okay, that's fine. So we'll bring in the other part of the hand. The hand was divided into two, like I said. So you click insert, go to your pictures, and I think I have the hand here. All right, you have the hand here. We'll bring it very close. We'll have to scale it down as well to fit in what we have here. Okay, we have to still scale it. Not quite. All right, so I would like to zoom in. Okay, so you see, not quite. I still have to scale it down again. Still need to scale it further. You need to be careful here. So I'm using my arrow because the mouse is sensitive. All right, let's zoom and see how well it was positioned. Well, I think I still need to scale it further to fit in perfectly. Okay, so okay, you can see the hand is properly fitted. Okay, that's good. Now we'll bring in the female. Insert pictures. I have female. Okay, sorry, I have to go back. I have to bring in a female first before the hand. So female, here is the female. Okay, we'll scale it down as well this way. Scale it down. Alright, so we'll bring in the hand as well, female hand. This is also to reciprocate the waving, and we have to scale it here. So just like what we did, we have to still zoom. Okay, I need to scale this further. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I think we're fine. I still need to scale it. I'm not satisfied with the way it's positioned. Alright, I think we'll find this way. So I'll have to zoom. Now another thing I would like to bring in into the scene is a bird. Okay, I'll click here, insert, go to pictures. I have my animated bird here. Alright, but I would like the bird to face the other position. This is it. Did you see what I just did? Okay, so I'll go back again. After importing the bird into the scene, you drag the bird from your left to your right. Okay, so I would make it smaller because it's believed that the bird is up there in the sky. Now I would like to bring in another bird, but instead of going to the insert, I will duplicate this. Click Ctrl D. Ctrl D brings in another bird. Ctrl D brings in another bird. I would like it to be like a flock of birds moving together. So Ctrl D, bring in another bird. Yeah. So Ctrl D, another bird. Okay. That's it. All right. So we'll bring in. What else can we bring in into this? I also like to bring in a dog. Okay, I'll click on insert pictures, go to my animated dog. So we have our dog here. I would like the dog. Okay, so I'll drag the dog from the right to the left. Okay, I'll put it here. All right, that's all for today's class. In the next class, I'll be showing you how you can animate all of this and bring them in full animated form. Okay, until I see you again in our next class, do have a nice time. Bye.